What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and sharing my first impressions of Calvin Klein's One Gold. So if that sounds good to you, let's get into the video.
Die Verbrennung der
Now, I usually start these videos by announcing what my fragrance of the day is, and I'm actually not wearing a fragrance yet. I'm choosing between Dolce & Gabbana's Intenso, which is an aromatic, herbal, earthy fragrance. Very classy and sophisticated, but it's not going to be to everyone's tastes. Encre Noir, which is green, woody, and smoky. Probably the best value dark fragrance on the market. For less than $80 Australian, you're getting something that smells so much more expensive than it actually is. And obviously, Incense Avignon by Comme des Garçons. Do I pick this again? This is slowly rising up into my top 10 favorite fragrances. What the hell? I'm just gonna wear this one. 2 sprays, a dab will do ya, so they say. Alright, CK1 Gold is a flanker of CK1, and they released this alongside CK1 Platinum. Now, Platinum they're all unisex fragrances. Platinum is woody and a little sweet with some floral notes. I've never actually smelled CK1 Gold before, but I got it for $30 on clearance, and it comes with a 200 ml 6.7 fluid ounces bottle, and it also comes with a 50 fragrance. So I basically got 250 ml of CK1 Gold for 30 Australian. That's pretty good value, I've got to say. Presentation is pretty nice, I've got to say. Looks pretty classy for a Calvin Klein scent, I've got to say. I can't remember if the CK1 Platinum one looks like that as well. No, CK1 Platinum edition is just straight up platinum silver. It does lean a little, this one does lean a little feminine, just with the sweet floral notes here. But I can see how a man would also wear it. Now, CK1, it's got this really powerful citrus note. It's got a little bit of sourness to it, but not in an unpleasant way. It's got a little bit of woods here as well. It's a little musky. It's a very, very underrated fragrance. So yeah, CK1 Gold. Love the look of this. Looks very classy. Enjoy the texture and the feel of the bottle. Got the tester strip handy. Atomizer's a little weird, I've got to say. It is floral, it is sweet, it is woody, but it's perhaps a little less fresh than CK1 Platinum Edition. There is definitely a woody backbone here. It's not particularly dark, I get citrus up the top and this sort of peculiar fruity note. I almost get like a sandalwood vibe, but it's not quite sandalwood. And I get this like fresh spice as well, probably from vetiver. And yeah, there's like a bunch of different floral notes here, and maybe even some white floral notes. It's fresh, it's woody, and it's got this kind of floral sweetness to it as well. I've got to admit, my favorite of the three is still the original CK1. Just because of, there's like a versatility to this one that's just almost unbeatable. You can wear this all seasons, all occasions, whereas CK1 Platinum and CK1 Gold, they're sort of more of a casual fragrance, casual, almost summer, spring type of fragrance. By no means are they bad though, like don't get me wrong, this is not a bad smelling fragrance. It's quite pleasant, but is it the sort of fragrance that I would go out of my way to wear over Encre Noir, for example? Absolutely not. But I do understand that to most people's tastes, this is going to be a much more pleasant fragrance than Encre Noir. But for me at least, it's not the best, it's not the worst, it's a decent fragrance. I can't imagine performance is going to be more than 6 or 7 hours on this one, just because it's already starting to, once it's dried on the tester strip, there was all these like little spots of the fragrance on it. Now it's like completely dry. And I don't even get any of that citrus anymore. That's how quickly that top has faded away. But yeah, the woodiness in here is going to keep this in the unisex realm, but I do think it leans a little more feminine. If you've ever worn CK1 Gold before, if you've ever worn CK1 or CK1 Platinum, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what your favorites are. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.